Are you ready to dive into the world of future cars? Welcome to this episode of our channel, where we will explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the automotive industry and how this will change the way we move. We will discover how artificial intelligence has made it possible for cars to drive themselves, how it can optimize car performance, and how it can improve the driver experience. We're ready to step into a world where artificial intelligence is in charge of cars, are you? In recent years, we have seen an increase in the use of artificial intelligence in the automotive industry. This is a trend that will continue to develop in the future, with one of the most obvious examples of the use of artificial intelligence in the automotive industry is in autonomous driving systems. These systems use advanced AI algorithms to analyze data collected by sensors, such as cameras, radar, and LiDAR, and make real-time decisions to drive the car autonomously. This can reduce the risk of accidents caused by human error and provide opportunities for people who are not able to drive, such as the elderly or those with disabilities. But artificial intelligence is also being used in other ways in the automotive industry. For example, it can be used to optimize car performance by analyzing data collected by sensors and adapting control systems to maximize the efficiency and performance of the car. This can include optimizing fuel consumption, improving. In addition, artificial intelligence can be used to improve the driver experience by providing personalized recommendations, such as optimal routes or scheduling car maintenance and connected services such as emergency assistance or ordering products through voice commands. As we have seen, artificial intelligence is being used in multiple ways in the automotive industry and is a technology that will continue to evolve and become increasingly important in the future. Autonomous driving systems, optimizing car performance, and improving the driver experience are just a few examples of the use of artificial intelligence in the automotive industry. This will have a major impact on the way we move, how we connect with our cars, and how we protect ourselves and others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And, if you have any suggestions for future content, leave them in the comments below.